If you're a real estate agent who works with a lot of sellers, or hey, you want to work with more sellers and you want to get more listings, I want to share with you a resource that's going to help save you a bunch of time. And the time I'm talking about is all that prep work where you got to get the photos taken, you got to get the website created, you got to get the lockbox installed, you got to get the sign in front of the house, you got to do all this stuff just to get the house ready to go and get it active. And the resource that I want to share with you is called RocketLister. RocketLister is basically a one-stop shop where they'll take care of and handle everything for you, so you're gonna save a ton of time, whether it's get the lockbox installed, give you unlimited photos for your home, get everything looking good, get the sign installed, even do the MLS entry for you. If you wanna learn more, check out RocketLister.com. If you'd like access to other real estate tools, resources, marketing strategies, classes, visit my website, milehighTitleGuide.com. And if you'd ever want to sit down with me and find ways that I can help you with your business, reach out to me, Jared Larkin.